Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering the pages you want to combine and opening them in a PDF editor or viewer with print-to-PDF support. Make sure the 4 pages are in the order you want. Rename files if that helps. Verify that all pages share the same size and orientation so scaling stays predictable. Once done, choose the print or export function that supports multiple pages per sheet. This is the first actionable step that lets you map 4 source pages onto one output sheet. Next, configure the layout options. Choose 4 pages per sheet with a 2x2 grid and pick portrait or landscape depending on how you want the final sheet to be read. Set scaling to fit or 100% to preserve content size. Reduce margins if text is clipped. If your tool offers bleed or spacing controls, adjust them to keep elements from touching. Make sure you set single-sided or double-sided printing and confirm page order and rotation so the printed or exported PDF places pages where you expect them. Finally, export or print to a new PDF using the configured layout and check resolution and file size to ensure quality. You should open the resulting file and inspect a full-size view, zoom to 100%, to confirm text is readable and margins are intact. If something looks off, go back and recheck page orientation, order, scaling, and any presets you applied. Often the tool defaulted to auto-rotate or to 2-up instead of 4-up. One quick troubleshooting tip: reset presets and reapply 4-up layout to correct hidden defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.